This video is about solving linear equations with fractions. To solve a linear equation having fractions in it, just like this equation, we need the idea of the reciprocal of a number. What is a reciprocal of a number?
All right, so the reciprocal of a number is defined as just the inverse of that number. For example, your 3/4, all right? Then remember the number at the top, you call it the numerator, and then the number at the bottom, you call it the denominator. So the reciprocal of this number is just the fraction wherein you flip your numerator and denominator. You just switch the top and the bottom, in short. So the 4 goes to the top, and then that number 3 goes to the bottom. All right. So this fraction, the reciprocal is 4/3. All right. If we have a number 8, for example, a number 8, all right, a whole number. So this number 8, you know that a number 8 can be written as 8 over 1. All right. So therefore, we can get the reciprocal of positive 8 by just flipping this 8 over 1. So that becomes 1 over 8. So the reciprocal of 8 is just 1 over 8. All right, let's take a look at our first example. So we have this equation, 3/4 x is equal to positive 6, and we're going to solve for x. Remember, when it says solve for x, it means we only want x in here, only x. So therefore, we need to remove this number here, which is a fraction, all right? And to remove that fraction, all we have to do is multiply. We can put this dot for multiplication, multiply by the reciprocal of this. Remember reciprocal? We just flip this fraction. So from 3 over 4, it becomes 4 over 3. So to remove a fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal. If you do it in one side, you have also to do it in the other side. So times 4/3 times 4/3 here. All right. Now, see this 4/3 and 3/4? When you're multiplying reciprocals, it's actually equal to a 1. All right. Or in short, you can just cancel the numbers there. So therefore, what you have on the left side is only the variable x. So just bring it down here. All right. And you have 6 times 4 over 3. Now, to simplify this, you just multiply 6 times 4, which is 24, and then divide by 3. All right. And then 24 divided by 3, that's actually a positive 8. So our answer is positive 8. Our next example is, we have here 10 is equal to negative 4/5 x, and we're going to solve for x. Remember, to solve for x, we only want x in here. So therefore, we need to remove this number here, negative 4/5. And remember, to remove a fraction, all we have to do is multiply by the reciprocal of this. So from negative 4 over 5, all you have to do is switch the numbers. So negative 5 over 4. All right. You can also use the parentheses. All right. So multiply by negative 5 over 4. If you do it in this side, you also can do it. You should do it also in the other side. So times negative 5 over 4. All right. Now let's focus on the right side because it has our variable x. So this fraction will be canceled with the reciprocal. All right. So you only have x in here. So what is left is only x in here. And for this part here, you have negative 5 over 4 times 10. What you can do is multiply the top numbers first. Negative 5 times 10, that's negative 50. Divide by 4. All right. And then, what is negative 50 divided by 4? That's negative 25 over 2. All right. So again, the main concept here is to remove a fraction, we just multiply by the reciprocal.